Hey, welcome back to the channel, Push Rodders. And yeah, look, guys, I'm pissed having to rework freaking jobs because of faulty parts. I'm, like, and these ass wipes that do quality control. Where is it? Where is quality control? They're just shit. Chinesian parts. What do you expect? But anyway, so we had this Toyota Prado in a couple of weeks ago. And for new axle seals, because one was really leaking, like it was pissing out. So we did both seals. We did rear rotors because they needed changing, they were undersized. New brake pads because oil got over the brake pads. New handbrake shoes because oil was all over those as well. The full whack. It was a pretty expensive job for the customer. I tell them when I drop the car off, when you're ready, just let all the brakes settle in, and the handbrake, they're properly adjusted and everything, but let it all settle in. And then if you're not entirely happy or something needs doing, bring it back to us. We'll do a quick nut and bolt check, and of course it come back, it just needed the handbrake adjusting. Nothing huge, just needed a little tweak, and the customers were happy. When I was doing the nut and bolt check, pulled off the wheels, double check everything, rotors, all that sort of stuff, and found the left hand side had started leaking. I'm like, great. Not happy, but yeah. So go to Toyota, order a new axle seal and O-ring. Great. Come back today, pick up the car and get it up on stands and just poke my head under there, have a quick visual inspection again. The right hand side is freaking leaking. So if you're in the market for axle seals and wheel bearings and stuff like that, don't buy these off the internet. That brand there, there's the part number. That's an actual hub assembly kit, because it's more than likely bound to fail on you within a few weeks. It's only taken 2 to 2.5 weeks for those seals to start leaking. So there's the genuine Toyota seal. That's the part number there. It's the back side of it. And you're also going to need an O-ring. That's the part number there. That's genuine Toyota. So if you give your Toyota dealership a buzz and say, hey, I need those part numbers, yeah, they should hopefully have it in stock. If not, it'll be overnight, something like that. That's pretty much, I've had to ring up Toyota, and that's what they've told me. So no, I feel for these customers, brand new customers, and yeah, that's, to be honest, as a mechanic, not only am I pissed, I'm embarrassed, because I've had to keep saying no, take it back, order parts, no, take it back, and it doesn't look good. So all I got to say is, you parts companies, get your fucking quality control in order, because this shit is just that. It is shit. I'm over it. Oh well, look, Push Rodders, that's pretty much the rant over. So yeah, it just goes to show, even new in-box parts can fail, or they're buggered straight out of the box. I mean, look, I double check things straight out of the box, because I've had them where I've just taken them back before I've even fitted parts to vehicles and machinery. But yeah, look, I can hear you guys saying, oh, did you lube up the rubber seal, and did you do this? Yes, lubed up the rubber seal so it doesn't burn the seal out before the oil gets there, and all that sort of stuff. make sure there's no burrs, make sure there's no wear on the axle, flange and all that sort of stuff where the seal runs, and did all of that good stuff. What do you do? So now, for what it's cost the customer, I've got to do a freaking rework, and I virtually make no money out of the job. So that's pretty much what it comes down to. I may have pissed the money up against the wall and just be done with it. Anyway, hopefully, yeah, any brand new parts you get, make sure you double check them, triple check them. If they're not fit for service, take them back. Tell them you want your money back, exchange them for better parts, whatever it may be. If you buy them off the internet, send them back. I know it's a pain in the ass. Yeah, look. Alrighty, what are you waiting for? Go and get your hands dirty. We've got to deal with a customer now. See you next video.